How good are you guys to find out the odd emoji? Before start the video, please read the rules of the quiz game and share your points with us. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's try to find the odd emoji among them. You guessed right, odd emoji is right here. How good are you guys to find the odd among them? If you got the odd emoji, make sure to like this video. This level is little bit of challenging. Can you find the one emoji that's different from the rest? You guess right, odd emoji is right here. Find the one emoji that does not belong. Yes, this last one is odd. Only the most observant people will be able to find out the odd among them. Do you see which one is odd here? Excellent job, odd emoji is right here. You are doing great so far. Can you find the one emoji that's different in this level? Well then, this one is odd among them. You guess right, it's right here. Which emoji is different from others? Spot the odd one out. Well done, odd emoji is right here. Let's see how good are your eyes to detail it. Can you find the one emoji that's different? Great job, you found the odd one. Can you see the odd emoji? You guess right, it's right here. Try to find the different among them. Good job, you found the odd emoji. There is one emoji that's not like others. Can you find it? Well done, you got the odd emoji. How good are you guys to detail the odd here? You guess right, odd emoji is right here. Which emoji is odd? Comment your answer. How good are you guys to detail the odd among them? Yes, this one is odd. Great job, you found the odd emoji. Which emoji is different from others? Spot the odd one out. You guessed right, odd one is right here. Do you see where is the odd one? You are right, this one is odd. Try to find the emoji that does not belong. Time's up, odd one is right here. Did you find out which one is odd? Great job, you got the odd emoji. Make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. You guessed right, odd one is right here. Almost there, can you find the one emoji that does not belong here? You did it right, odd emoji is right here. Spot out the one emoji that does not belong. You are right, this one is odd. Try to find the one emoji that is different from the rest. I hope you all find it, this one is odd. You are doing well, try to find the different. You guessed right, odd one is right here. Which emoji is odd here? You guessed right, this emoji is odd among them. Well done, this one is odd. Last level, can you find the emoji that does not belong? Yes, you made it to the end. The odd emoji is right here. Today you played really well. It's time to share your result to the comment, and of course don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting quizzes.